Hello everybody, this is Jeremy Burris with the Florida Insurance Center, and today I want to talk to any and all business owners who are in the process of either shopping or renewing your workers' compensation insurance policy. Most people have a misunderstanding in the way work comp policies work in NCCI states such as Florida. We all assume, or people assume, that all work comp policies have the same NCCI class codes, and therefore all work comp policies are priced the same. There are many things, though, you can do as a business owner to help lower your overall workers' compensation insurance costs. Some of the things we like to do at Florida Insurance Center is help you manage your experience mod. If you don't know what an experience mod is, that's something we could talk about in a future video, but an experience mod is often used as a calculation that work comp carriers use to either debit or credit your account. So depending on premium size, your experience mod can either increase or decrease depending on claims. So at Florida Insurance Center, we like to do is come alongside you and help you with loss control and loss prevention. We also have a very, very good claims department that'll help either subrogate or mitigate your total workers' compensation loss with your employee. So experience mod reduction is one thing we do at Florida Insurance Center to help lower your total workers' compensation costs. Another thing we want to do for you is help you apply for a 2% safety credit. If you're not getting a 2% safety credit, we can easily do that for you at Florida Insurance Center. We can help you with the employee safety manuals and handbooks and policies and procedures, put those in place to allow you to get that 2% total reduction in your workers' compensation expense. We also want to advise you on possibly looking into getting a 5% drug-free workplace credit. There's some big savings there. There's some great opportunities to help lower your work comp policy with a 5% drug-free credit. The other thing we want to talk to you about is a dividend. If you don't know what a dividend is, if you are not on a policy with a dividend, you really need to let Florida Insurance Center look at your policy, because what a dividend is basically a sharing in the profits of your work comp policy from the carrier back to you. So we are seeing 10% flat dividends, 25, 35, 40% sliding scale dividends, which is a huge savings back to you if you don't have a dividend right now. We actually have one carrier right now that has what we call a deviated rate. So for non-construction accounts, this one particular carrier has applied for a 5% deviated rate deduction off the NCCI class code rates. Another thing we see, believe it or not, is on occasion we will see somebody in the wrong class code. And so if you're in the wrong class code that's actually costing you more money than it should, that's something we need to take a look at. So again, not all work comp policies are the same. We want to make sure that you understand that. We want to help you with your experience mod. We want to help you get the 2% safety credit, 5% drug free if that's something you want to look at. Apply for a dividend. Possibly look at this carrier with a deviated rate and make sure all your NCCI codes are correct. So again, there's a lot of things you can do to help lower your overall work comp cost. And we want to make sure we look at all of those avenues with you at Florida Insurance Center. So again, if you're shopping your policy, you're about to renew your policy for workers' compensation insurance, we strongly encourage you to give us a call at 813-754-3561. We're really looking forward to helping you save money on your workers' compensation insurance policy this year. Thank you and have a great day.